Now that we have seen what conditional flow is, we'll talk about condition. So condition is basically a statement that evaluates to true and false. Remember while we talked about data type, we talked about a specific type of data type called Boolean, which can store only two type of value, true and false. So what we can store the result of a condition in Boolean data type. If you are getting confused, just ignore it. We'll see it when we write the code. So a condition can be written with the help of conditional operators. I've listed down 6 conditional operators and we'll go through each and every of them with examples to understand how it works out. So the first one is equals to operator. So this checks whether the two operands are equals or not. So one example can be, we can write 5 equals to 7. So this evaluates to false because they are not equal. So if, for example, if we have something like variable a equals to b, this will evaluate to true if a and b are equal and false if they are not. The second operator is not equals to, like it's from the name itself we can understand that if two operands are not equal, then it evaluates to true and else it's false. It's basically a counterpart of equals to operator. So as an example, I can say that 5 not equals to 7, this will evaluate to true. The other operator is the greater than sign. So if we have something like 5 is greater than 7, this evaluates to false. And if we have something like 8 is greater than 2, it evaluates to true. The other operator is the less than sign. So we can take the same example, 5 less than 7, this evaluates to true, and 8 less than 2, this evaluates to false. So the other two are greater than equals to and less than equals to. They are just the same as greater than and less than sign, except that it also has the equals to. So if we have something like 5 is greater than equal to 5, this evaluates to true. Apart from it, it works same as the greater than sign. Similarly, less than equals to, if we have something like 10 is less than equals to 10, it evaluates to true. Apart from it, it works the same here. One thing to note is if we have something like 10 is less than 10, this evaluates to false here, whereas in this case it evaluates to